So in this video, I'm going to go over this cordless circular saw from the company Ecarke. So this is the tool only. This is the box that came in. I've already got it all set up. There is a little bit of assembly. It has an infrared guideline, cordless portability, pro-grade safety, high torque brushless motor. Get this little tool right here. It's got a Allen head on that side and a Phillips head on that one. Everything you need to know is contained inside this owner's manual. You get two blades. You get the 24 tooth, and I think this is the 40 tooth. I like the 40 tooth because it has a little cleaner cut. To install the blades, once you get it in, it will not have the blades installed. You're gonna mash this little switch right here and then loosen that up, take it off, and then put the blade on and tighten it back up. Push that in and it locks the blade into place. You guys see the blades free? See how it's locked into place? Pretty simple, easy to understand. So this has the safety guard right here that lifts up. It has a infrared cut guide. This does need two AAA batteries. You're gonna have to supply your own batteries. A little switch right there. Check that out. You guys see that? And that works actually very well. It's lined up perfectly. Handle right here. It's got a safety trigger right here, kind of gnarl grip. It's heavy, everybody. It feels solid. Now looking over this right here adds your depth. So if you need to change your depth, right there is what you use that for. This, you'll loosen this little wing nut up there, and check this out. Loosen that one up, and I can change my angle. It goes from 0 to 45 on the angle right there. So this item right here is kind of like a guide. It's not something I use a lot. You'd use it mostly for plywood if I need to make a larger one. I just leave that little wing nut in there, and then you just adjust it to whatever size. It looks like it goes from 0 to 9 inches on that. So as far as batteries, you do not get a battery, but I use mostly the 3 amp hour, and I tested it with 2 styles of batteries. You guys see that? Has a nice kind of powerful feel to it. There's the 3 amp, and it does work with the Dewalt Flex Volt 9 amp. This is the 20 and 60 volt. Check this out. It works with this too. No issues with either one of those. I used this on a 2x6 and it went through it like no problem, everybody. I think it's a great option for anyone that's just doing kind of backyard building, a little bit of woodworking, and they want to have a Dewalt quality saw, but without that Dewalt price. This thing's probably half the price of what a Dewalt circular saw is, and I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think it's a great option. There it is. That's all I got on the Ecarke circular saw. See you all in the next video.